Trading gold, there's some big patterns that you need to be aware of. And I'm going to show you some shorter term charts to try and figure out what's going on with gold and silver for you day traders. Okay, so there's a lot of talk on social media about this cup and handle pattern in gold. I'm not convinced about this pattern, but anyway, let's just assume it is a cup and handle. So you've got the cup here, obviously, and then this is the handle. If you've traded this pattern before, or you understand it better than I do, then let me know. To me, what is more important is this potential triple top that you see within this handle pattern, if it is a handle. So I'm now going to flick onto the weekly chart. This is what really is important to me. And I'm going to go back to that monthly chart in a minute. But we really could have a triple top pattern here in gold. Now, triple tops are very rare, but when they form, they are extremely negative. They have the same effect as a double top, but because they are so rare, when they do occur, they really are very significant indeed. Now, gold has been trading sideways since the middle of 2020, so almost 3 years. We've got the upper trend line there confirmed by the moving averages, which are just going sideways and converging. I talked about sideways and converging moving averages last week. So this is even happening on the weekly chart, very clearly in a sideways channel. Now, this sideways channel could be a triple top. And of course, a break below 1600 would then confirm that the triple top has formed, and then we drop another 400 points. Now, if the triple top is broken, which would mean a break above the all-time high of 2072, then all bets are off. It's a buy signal. We should have stop loss orders just above the 2072 area, and we could see gold really surge. If we break above 2072, we're going to go. Now, the trend line on the cup and handle pattern comes in at around 2115, 2120. It's just a trend line joining two peaks. So a break above there, whether it's a cup and handle pattern or not, is going to be bullish because it's a break above a trend line. So what I'm trying to say is I think the cup and handle pattern isn't particularly relevant, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention. Going back a few months, gold is in a bull trend. Although, look how the moving averages, the 500 and the 200, on the daily chart, they're also only moving sideways and they are also converging in price. So it's really only the 50 and the 100 that gives us an indication that we're in this bull trend. We're seeing a correction down to what could be support around the 1975, 1970 area. The hourly chart looks quite negative. We have moved below the 50, 100 and 200 hour moving averages. So that doesn't look particularly good for gold. The 4-hour chart isn't really looking very positive. The 100 period moving average on the 4-hour chart, well, it's certainly been tested. We did break below it. Silver, however, still looks quite good to me as far as an investment is concerned. Now, it does look like we could dip back to retest the trend line, which is around the $24 area. We've already dropped 100 ticks from 26.08. So we could have another 100 tick drop. Now, I'm not suggesting a short position. I'm going to sit back and wait and see if I can buy silver around $24. Look at the short-term chart on the hourly chart. The price is trading below the moving averages that I follow. So it does look like there is downside risk to silver. I could put in a trend line here. We've got resistance around 25.15, 25.20 from the 200-hour moving average. And this is a very short-term trend line, which is only a few days old. So I think there is pressures to the downside now in silver. And for us to dip as far as $24 wouldn't surprise me at all. On the hourly chart, we've got a nice rising 500-hour moving average there, which would give some extra support to that area. Make sure you're subscribed and you're getting the notification so that when I do a new video, you'll get an update on gold and silver.